And welcome to my YouTube channel EXP22 Excel chapter HOE Mortgage. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So assignment title is EXP22 Excel chapter 6 HOE Mortgage. So we move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is download and open the file name exp22 Excel chapter 6 HOE Mortgage. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the exp22 Excel chapter 6 HOE Mortgage. So question number 1 is complete. We move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is, as you complete your mortgage calculations, you would like to use range name to make the formula easier to understand and create the range name purchase price for cell B2 and down payment for cell B3. Create the range name is purchase price in cell B2. So copy the name and paste the name in cell B2. So select the cell is B2, create the range name in cell B2. So select the B2, press enter, and next is for cell B2 and down payment for cell B3. So copy the name and paste the cell in B3. So select the cell is B3 and paste the name, press enter. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is, you have decided to utilize alternative method of creating range name for the remainder of the variables and create the range name for the range A9 to B13 using the create from a selection method. So copy the range A9 to B13s and paste the value A9 to B13s and create the range name of the A9 to B13 and using the create from a selection method. So go to the home tabs and go to the formula tabs and go to the define name groups, click the create from a selections and next is left column and click OK. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is, you would like to edit the previously created name range. To do, you will use the name managers and delete the monthly payment names range and edit the down payments name range so it's appears as down payment and added the purchase price to the purchase price. So delete the monthly payments name range, delete the monthly payment name range. So go to the formula tabs and go to the define name groups, click the name managers and next is delete the monthly payment, delete the monthly payment. Delete the monthly payment, delete the monthly payment, or you sure want to delete the name of monthly payment, click OK and next is added the down payment range, it's appear to down payment, added the down payment name range down payment, added the down payment name range, so it's appear is the down payment. So click the edit and name is down payment, click OK and click close. And next is, and added the purchase price to appear the purchase price. So copy the purchase price and next is to the purchase price. So go to the formula tabs and go to the define name groups, click the name manager and click the purchase price, click the edits and purchase price and click OK and click close. So question number 4 is complete. We move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is, you would like to display the newly created name range to the existing formula in the worksheet and apply the defined name to the existing formula on the home loan worksheets, and once completed name range should appear the B12 and once completed name range should appear in the B12 and B14s. So apply the defined name to the existing formula on the home loan worksheets. So go to the home loan worksheets and next is as existing the formula once completed and name range should appear in the cell B12. So select the cell B12 and B12 and B14. So select the cell is B12 and select the B10, the periodic rate, and next is B11 too, and no payment period, and next is B9 is amount of loan and press enter. Next is B12 and B14. B12 and B14 is B13 minus B9. So select the B13, B13 minus B9 and press enter. So question number 5 is complete. Question number 5 is complete and we move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is, you would like to document the name range by inserting them as a list on a new worksheet and create the new worksheet name with range name. Insert the previously created range name on the worksheet starting in a cell A2 and set the width of column AB autofit column. So create the new worksheets and next is name is range name. So copy the range name and right click the rename, paste the range name, and next is insert the previously created range name on the worksheet starting in cell A2 and set the width of column AB autofit column. So select the cell is A2 on the worksheets name range, created the range name worksheet starting in cell A2. Select the cell is A2 and set the width of column A, B autofit column. So go to the formula tabs and go to the define name groups, click the use in a formula and click the paste name and click the paste list insert the created range name and starting the insert the previously created range names worksheet and starting in cell A2 and AB is the autofit column. So apply the A column autofit and B column apply the autofit column. So question number 6 is complete. We move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is as you continue your analysis, you would like to create the one variable data table explore to impact of the various interest rate on the payments and total interest and total amount paid. To complete the table, you will first create substitution value on the home loan sheets and beginning in cell D4 enter the substitution value from 4% to 6% increasing in 0.25% increments completing the range D4 to D12. On the home loan worksheets and beginning in cell D4 enter the substitution value from the 4% to 6% increasing in at 0.25 increments completing the range is D4 to D12. So select the range is D4 beginning in cell D4 and enter the substitution value is 4%. Press enters and next is enter the substitution value from 4% to 6% increasing in 0.25% increment completing the range D4 to D12. So select the 4% and go to the home tabs and go to the dating groups and click the series. Enter the substitution value from 4% so select the series in column and next is step value is 0.25%. 0.25% and the stop value is 6%. 6% series in column area and 0.15% and stop value is 6% and completing the range D4 to D12 and click OK. So question number 7 is complete. D4 to D12. So D4 to D12. Question number 7 is complete and we move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is to continue the construction of the one variable data tables, you will add a formula to the table structure and add the reference to cell that contains the monthly payments B12 in cell E3 and add the reference to cell contain the total to repay loan in cell F3 to B13 and add the reference to the cells that contain total interest paid B14 in cell G3. So add the reference to the cells that contain monthly payments. E3 is B12. So select the cell E3 is a monthly payment in cell B12. Reference that cells contain the monthly payments in cell B12. So type is equal to E3 to B12 in the monthly payment and press enters And next is add the reference to that cell contain the total repaid loan F3 to B13. So select the F3 to B13, type is equal to and total to repay loans B13s and press enter. And next is to the cell that contain total interest paid B14 in the G3. So select the G3 in cell G3 and contain total interest paid in B14 in cell G3. So type is equal to and B14. So select the B14 total interest paid and press enter. B14 in cell G3. So question number 8 is complete. We move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is complete the one variable data table using the APRs in cell B4 as a column input cell. So complete the one variable data tables and using the APR in cell B4 column input cells. So select the range and complete the one variable data table using the APR in cell B4 column input cell. So go to the data types and one variable data table using the APR in cell B4 column input cell, one variable data tables and what analysis and click the data tables and column input cell is B4 is APRs B4 and click OK. So question number 9 is complete. Question number 9 is complete and we move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is you would like to format the one variable data table to add clear labels that are easy to understand and apply the accounting number format to the range E4 to G12 and type the APR in cell D3 and next create the following custom format from the range E3 to G3 and cell E3 custom format is payments and cell F3 is custom format to the total repays and cell G3 is the custom format is total interest. So apply the accounting number format E4 to G12, copy the range and go to the Excel worksheet and paste the range, press enter. So select the range and next is apply the accounting number formats. So go to the home tabs and go to the alignment groups and apply the accounting number format and type the APR in cell D3. So copy the title and paste the title in cell D3, select the D3 APR, press enter and next create the following custom E3 to G3, E3 to G3 in cell E3 is the custom formats in cell payments. So select the E3 and go to the home tabs, go to the number groups and click the custom number formats, select the general and type inverted commas, type the payment and click OK. And next is total repaid in cell F3. So select the F3 and go to the home tabs and go to the number groups and click the custom number format, type the inverted commas and total repeats, click OK. And next is in cell G3 the custom formats. Copy the title and paste the, so go to the home tab and go to the number groups and click the custom number formats, select the general and type the inverted commas, total interest and click OK. So question number 10 is complete. We move to the question number 11. So question number 11 is enter the, so you would like to create the two variable data table to explore the impact of changing interest rates and home cost on the monthly payments. To begin the creating the structure of the table, you will enter the substitution value for the home cost and interest rates and enter the value in the range J3 to L3. Format the value counting number format with the two decimal places. Expand the column with as needed if provided signed and appears, and starting in cell I4 complete the series of substitution value ranging from the 4% to 8% in the increments of 0.25% vertically down and stopping in cell I20. So copy the value and paste the value in cell J3. So select the J3 and paste the value, press enter, and next is copy the value and paste the value in cell K3, press enter, and next is copy the value and paste the value in cell L3 and press enter. Next is apply the counting number formats with the two decimal places. Expand the column with the needed its proud sign in. So copy the range J3 to L3 and paste the range, press enter. So select the range and go to the home tabs, go to the number groups and apply the counting number format and apply the auto fit column and expand the column with send and appear, and in cell start a cell I4 complete the series of substitution value ranging from 4% to 8% in increment of 0.25% vertically down and stopping in cell I20. So start in cell I4, select the cell is I4 and I4 complete the series of substitution value ranging from 4% to 8%. So type the 4%, to go to the home tabs and go to the reading groups and click the series and step value is 0.25%, and the stop value is 8%. And click the column series in column and click OK. Vertically and stopping in cell I20. So question number 11 is complete. We move to the question number 12. So question number 12 is Enter a reference to the monthly payment B12 in cell I3 and complete the two variable data table using the cost of the home in cell B2 as the row input and the APR cell B4 as the column input cell. So enter the reference to the monthly payments in cell B12 in cell I3 and complete the two variable data table using the cost of home. B2 is the row input APR. So select the I3 cell I3 and enter the reference monthly payments in B12 in cell I3. So type is equal to and select the B12 is the monthly payment, press enter and cost, and B2 is the row input and B4 is the column input cell. So for the home tabs to row input to the APRs B4 and column input cell. So select the range and go to the data tabs and go to the for cost groups and click the data tables and data table in cell B2 is the row input cell and B4 is the column input cell. Select the B2 is row input cells, the B2 is row input cell and column input cell is B4 appears. Click OK. So question number 12 is complete and we move to the question number 13. So question number 13 is as your last step you would like to create the custom number format in cell I3. In cell I3 apply the custom number format to display the APR and center and bold the contents in cell I3. So in cell I3 and custom number format to display the APRs. So copy the custom number formats in cell APRs and go to the data types and custom number formats. So go to the data types and go to the home tabs and go to the number groups and click the custom number formats. So select the general and type the inverted commas, click OK. And next is center and bold the contents in cell I3. So select the I3 and go to the home tabs, click the bold and go to the number groups and click the centers. So question number 13 is complete. We move to the question number 14. So question number 14 is so total question is 26 and question number 14 is to continue your analysis you will use the goal seek to determine the optimal purchase price to obtain the desired monthly payments of 600 without changing the down payments to APRs and use the goal seeks to set the monthly payment cell B12 to 600 by changing the purchase price cell B2. So go to the data types and go to the for cost groups and click the goal 6, and next is goal 6 and monthly payment in cell B12. Select the monthly payment in cell B12 and to value is 600, and next is by changing cell is B2, click OK and again OK. So question number 14 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.